बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चरर फिज़िकल एजुकेशन के जो 500 इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं जो आपके पास पेपर में रिपीट हो रहे हैं और जो इम्पोर्टेंट आ सकते हैं उनको हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इससे पहले 3 वीडियो बना चुकी हूँ, अब ये 4th वन है। इसके बाद 5th वीडियो भी बनाऊँगी। उन सारी वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगे तो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। नेट में ऑफ कर दूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 286 है, आउटस्टैंडिंग एथलीट्स यूजुअली possess certain personality characteristics such as aggressiveness. Pakistan get which position in 2007 World Table Tennis Championship 14th? Pakistani athlete Mohammad Rashid make record in 1987 safe javelin through. Parasympathetic nervous system work during the normal situation during the elementary function. Physical exercise done in presence of oxygen is called aerobic exercise. Physiology is the study of function of body. Polo is the national game of Bangladesh. Preschool children learn things by imitation. Purpose of Kairos Weber is minimum muscular strength. Rangaswamy Cup is awarded in hockey. Reason of constipation due to less functioning of large intestine. Record of Tour de France is 39.5 km. Red blood cell contain which imparts to their color and possess an envelope hemoglobin. Rehabilitation of sport injuries done using corrective exercises. Research which is generally inductive is qualitative. Rovers Cup is associated with game football. Runner-up team of 2003 World Cup India. Running barefoot may cause hookworm infection. Salivary gland produce petalene. Sociolysis is a postural deformity related with vertebral column. Surgeon jump measures explosive leg strength. Serum is the fluid which is obtained after blood has been allowed to clot. Set shoot is related to basketball. Shin splint occurs in abdomen. Shuttle run test measures agility. Sliding Flemmer theory of muscles contraction was given by Pythagoras. Sliding Flemmer theory of muscles contraction was given by Oleksey. Smaller part of information in which researcher is interested is called sample. Somatic nervous system control the skeletal system and movement voluntary. Speed which gradually increase in sprint races is called acceleration sprint. Sphygmometer is used to measure blood pressure. Sphygmometer. Sprain is injury to muscles. Standard deviation represents spread of scores around mean. Standard track total distance is 40 meter. Strategy fast break is related with the game basketball. Summative evolution involve administration of test. Sunlight is a source of vitamin D. Sympathetic nerve system work in the emergency function of body. Tercilla metatarsal are bones of foot. Tennis is in the world of which language tennis is? The dash neuron conduct the impulses from the sensory organ toward the brain. To sensory neuron conduct the impulses from the sensory organ toward the brain. Question number 27 है to 327. The fast twitch muscles fiber are shaped wide contract repeatedly. The motor nerves conduct the impulses from the brain toward the muscle motor. Question number 329. The muscle fiber of the muscle belly attached tendon to tendon is a type of fusiform muscles. The slow filament of the muscle fiber is myosin. Fiber are red shape and contract slowly. The thick filament of the muscle fiber is myosin. The blood platelets change their shape repeatedly and contract contact with injured vessels or foreign surface and take part in clot formation. The sternum bone hang in the chest between the ribs. The fifth percentile is also known as mean. The ability to maintain equilibrium while in motion is called balance. The American player who made 23.12-meter record in shoot put is Randy Booms. The amount of blood came out from ventricle per minute is called cardiac output. The amount of calories required by adult of average body weight per day is 2500 calories. The anaerobic metabolism of one muscle molecules of glucose result in the production of 38 ATP. The angle of sector of a hammer throw is 34.92 degree. The another name of pre-execution manipulation is tapotement. The average life to the nature or red blood cell is surprisingly long, having a span of about 120 days. The axis around which a movement take place is always at right angle to the plane. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लग रही है तो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इंशाल्लाह आपका लेक्चर का टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा होगा और ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में आएंगे। तो चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 344 देखते हैं। The back tight muscles are also known as hamstring. The back thigh muscles are also known as hamster. The basal metabolic rate may vary from person to person, but it is closely related to person amount of physical activity. The beginning of shot put first in the history started from throwing stone. The best known special message is connective message. The best method of training of emotion in sport is repression. The blood platelet are small bodies about 3 long and occur in large number in circulating blood. Red rod like the bottom tail of the spinal cord is coccyx. The cardiorespiratory capacity is related to normal physical endurance. The cause of postural deformity is malnutrition. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The circulating blood carry nutrient and oxygen to the body cell and thus is important means of maintaining the homeostasis of the body. The color of line of standard track is white. The color of stop board in short put is white. The color of take off in board jump and triple jump is white. The combination of strength and speed ability is called explosive strength. The cool down after exercise is important because it speeds the removal of lactic acid. The cardiac muscle related to the heart. The creatine kinase reaction is inhibited by low pH in the muscles. The cross-country races are held in winter. The deltoid muscles located above the joint shoulder. The development of the full potential of each individual humanism. The meter of circle of hammer is 2.135 meter. The diameter of discus for woman is 182 millimeter. The diameter of shoot put for man 11.13 centimeter. The diameter of shoot put for woman 0.9511 centimeter. The difference in weight of the shoot put and throw for male is none. The distance between the first and second athlete in 400 meter race is 7.04 meter. The distance between the two goal posts of hockey is 3.66 meter. The elbow joint is kind of joint hang the energy of all form of muscles. Construction is provided by ATP. The first modern Olympic Games were held in the year 1896. The first national marathon race was organized in Kolkata. The first region of the spinal cord is region cervical. The first treatment recommended for long distance exhausted athlete is cryotherapy. The following are the standard distance of hurdle race for men 100 meter and 400 meters. The following bones from the elbow joint except scapula. The function study of body is called physiology. The function cell of the nervous system is neuron. The greater the movement of an object, the greater distance it will travel. The hall of judo is called jodojo. The hamstring muscle consists of the muscles 3. The heart pump blood through the arteries. The height of human being is measured by vernier scale. The height of a human being is measured by vernier scale. The height of a protecting net is discussed in 4 meter. The height of stop board in शूट पुट नंबर 6 to 10. 10.2 centimeter. The height of Sport Award of India is Rajiv Gandhi Kher Ratan. The hip and shoulder joint are kind of the joint ball and socket. The initial rate of enzymes catalyze reaction depend on all of the above. The instrument to measure height is called stadiometer. The internal diameter of circle of shoot put is 2.135. The internal measurement length of stop board in shoot put is 1.14 to 1.16 meter. The javelin has part 3 part. The labrum glandale is triangular in cross section. The landing arena of high jump will be 5.3 meters. The largest bone in the body is femur. The largest region of the spinal cord is कोकाइक्स। तो ये थे हमारे पास आज की वीडियो के 100 क्वेश्चन थे। इसके बाद फ़िज़िकल एजुकेशन के जो 500 इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs है उसका लास्ट पार्ट मैं अगली वीडियो में बनाती हूँ। तो उसके लिए चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।